Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to promote Temu products on TikTok. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we will then just have to go to Temu, and then on the other tab, I also have my TikTok account. So right here, going back to the Temu tab, we will then just have to type out temu.com, and then right here you can check if you have logged in to your account. Okay, and then after that, right here you'd be able to see different products that you can actually use to promote using your TikTok account. Okay, so for example, there's products right here, and then after that, just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you'd be able to see this option, the affiliate and influencers. So just click on it, and you'd be redirected to this tab right here. Okay, so as you can see, as of the moment, we have an available of 200 peso cash. Okay, so there are different ways in how we can promote our Temu products on TikTok. So here at the left side for the affiliate and influencer program, we have here the first one, which is the affiliate. Next is the pick and items. And then the last one is the invite affiliate. So of course, since we will be using TikTok and choosing products so we can promote, we have to focus on the big items. But before that, let me just discuss the affiliate first. So right here, there are two different levels on Temu. Is we just have to share the link or code. Next is to get referrals, and then the last one is to earn our money here on Temu. So right here for the referrals, we can get this one. So for example, you would like to share this to our TikTok account. So here there is a simplified text for sharing. So you just have to copy this one, and then you can share it to your different social media accounts. So of course, I'm going to share this to my TikTok account. Then after that, let's go to the big items option. So right here, we can use different products or choose a product that we are going to promote on our TikTok account. Okay, so for example, this one right here, so you just have to simply click on the share button, and then here share the exclusive deal to earn. Even though we don't have the TikTok application right here, we can just copy the link and then use some of the videos or images of this product and then upload it on TikTok. So don't worry, because I'm going to show you that later on. So let me just click on this product right here. Okay, then the next thing is to save the images or the video that you're going to use to promote this product. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this image. So you just have to save it on your folder. Okay, so let me just go back right here and click on save. So after saving this product, we can now go to our TikTok account. Okay, so let me just check again if we have successfully downloaded the image. Okay, so we can now see the image right here. So let's proceed to our TikTok account. So right here at the top right, you just have to simply click on the upload option. Okay, that's right. And then right here, as you can see, if you are using a desktop and not your phone, you can only select a video to upload. So to do that is we are going to find now videos that we can use. So of course, we have to go back to Temu and check if that product has a video that we can use. Okay, so let me just go back to Temu, and if that product doesn't have a video that we can use, we can try to find another product or a product that has a video that we can use. Okay, so let me just check that this product first. So unfortunately, this product only has images. So let us try to find another one. So I think this product has a video, and yeah, so I can use this one. So just have to do the same. Just click on the download option. Okay, and then after downloading the video, we can now go back to the Temu. and click on the share option so we can get the details of this product, because we are going to use the details of the product to promote this on our TikTok account. So let me just upload this video. Okay, and then after uploading the video, we can now go back to Temu and then get all of the details that we need. So before that, let me just select a cover for this post. Okay, and then click on confirm. Okay, so let me just go back to Temu, and then we are going to get all of the details and of course the link of this product. Okay, so to do that, just simply click on the share option and then click on copy linked. Or you can also click on this copy option right here to copy the details. Okay, so we are all good. Let's go back now to TikTok. Okay, and then we are going to paste the details on the description section. Okay, let me just delete this one and then paste it right here. Okay, so let me just add here a few more details. So of course the different bundles, we are going to add here the link for the application as well. So when you download this one, you can also get our commission here on Temu. Okay, so just a little bit. Let me just adjust this one right here. Okay, so let me just go back to our Temu affiliate program. Okay, so just click on the affiliate option. Then after that, just click on this share option right here. And then just copy the text for simplified sharing. Then go back to TikTok. Then we are going to paste it right here as well. Okay, so if all of the links are ready, what we're going to do next is to simply click on post. Okay, so after that, just click on the manage post option to check if we really uploaded the video. Okay, so let us go back to TikTok. Just simply click on this option right here at the left side. Okay, so this one. And then let us go to our profile and check if the product is ready here. Okay, so when someone see this video, and then they're going to read the description, and if they're interested to get this product, then they're just going to copy here all of the details. Then they have to paste it on their web browser. Then if they are going to purchase the product, of course, we can now get our commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.